Welcome back to Spiral. Today, I want to talk about something really important that recently happened to a friend of mine. He is a travel blogger who visits different places and often stays in hotels, Airbnb, and homestays. Unfortunately, he recently discovered a hidden camera in his hotel room that was secretly filming him. When he told me about it, I realized how crucial it is to know how to detect these hidden surveillance devices. So in this video, I'll share practical tips and tricks to help you protect your privacy and ensure peace of mind wherever you stay. Let's get started. The first step in detecting hidden cameras is to look for suspicious objects. Conduct a thorough physical search of your surroundings. Pay attention to any items that seem out of place, for example, a stuffed toy, photo frame, smoke detectors, wall clock, USB charger, etc. Look closely at the smoke detector because it is the most common place to hide a camera in hotels and Airbnb. If you find anything suspicious, cover it and unplug it if possible. Keep in mind that some cameras have built-in batteries and may continue to operate even when unplugged, so it's better you block it with something. Another way to locate hidden cameras is to check for lights. Get the room as dark as possible by closing the blinds and shutting off all the light sources in your hotel room. Now, once the room is completely dark, look around for any objects emitting light. Some hidden cameras have small LED light that blinks or shines in the dark. You can also use a torch to detect hidden cameras. Darken the room and shine the torch around, looking for tiny reflections. These reflections might be blue or purple, coming from a small camera lens. Inspect any suspicious reflections closely. Hidden cameras can also be placed behind two-way mirrors, especially in the changing rooms and bathrooms. A two-way mirror looks like a regular mirror but lets you see through from the other side. It's used to hide cameras because people can't see the camera behind it. Here's how to check if a mirror is a two-way. Place your fingertip on the mirror surface. If there's a gap between your finger and its reflection, it's a real mirror. If they touch tip to tip, it could be a two-way mirror with a camera behind it. Knock on the mirror, a hollow sound indicates a two-way mirror. Before moving further, if you like the video so far, please subscribe to Spiral. Did you know your smartphone camera can help detect hidden cameras emitting infrared light? To test this, simply point your camera at an infrared remote control. If your screen shows a burst of red or white light, it means your camera can detect infrared light. Once you have confirmed your phone camera's ability to detect infrared, you can use it to manually search your hotel room for hidden cameras. Some hidden cameras connect to Wi-Fi to remotely share the recorded videos to its server. To detect such cameras, you can scan your Wi-Fi network. Download a network scanner app like Wi-Fi Man and scan for unfamiliar device names like IP camera. Ensure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, for instance your hotel or Airbnb Wi-Fi. Wireless hidden cameras emit radio waves that interfere with phone calls. During a call, walk around and listen for buzzing or crackling. If you notice interference, check the area for hidden cameras. You can use your phone's camera to detect a hidden camera in your hotel or homestay, as we discussed earlier. Another way to use your phone as a spy cam detector is to use a hidden camera detector app on it. These apps combine techniques like Wi-Fi scanning and infrared detection. There are lots of free apps available on the Play Store and App Store. You can try the ones with the best ratings. Just follow the app's instructions carefully to find hidden cameras. A phone camera app might help you detect a spy camera in your hotel. However, it's not a reliable method. For more reliability, consider buying a hidden camera detector. These devices scan for radio frequency signals used by hidden cameras, and most of them come with an infrared finder to locate the hidden camera. They can be found online with prices ranging from $20 to hundreds of dollars. Before sweeping your hotel room with these camera detector devices, unplug common electronic or electrical items like TVs, fridges, etc. to avoid interference. Follow the device manual for the best results. I have added the link to my favorite hidden camera detector, which I use, in the description and comments. Feel free to check it out. Also, I have done a video on how to detect spy devices in your home. You can watch it using the I button. I hope these tips help you stay safe and protect your privacy. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and share it with others. Let me know in the comments if you have any other methods for detecting hidden cameras. Thank you for watching and stay safe.